What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Today we're gonna play Grow a Garden. We're gonna check out its update and also steal a brain rot if we had time, guys. Let's go. First, let's check out Grow a Garden's update. This will probably be like for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I think. Let's go. Let's go get. Guys, like the video if you still play Grow a Garden, guys. Let's see. I think only loyal players will be able to play again since most people going to steal a brain rot and 99. I do play steal a brain rot, guys. I do. I'll make a vid on that, guys. Real quick, we're just gonna check out the update. What is this? Guys, if you want to give away, I'll give out some DFs. Since Jack-o'-lantern disappears. What do we have now? What is this? A witch. What is this? Cookies. Radio, ghost lantern, basket. Caters, turkey. What you so occasionally, this Reaper. What you so occasionally sacrifice for random players to apply medium passive boost or medium XP boost to run. That's pretty solid. Wait. I think there's a new best bet, right? It is the Headless Horseman. What does the Headless Horseman do, guys? Please comment. Mushroom, that poison apple. Do they add anything in the seeds? I still haven't checked. Let's see. Yo, great pumpkin. Every 5 minutes mutates a plant with ghostly. What is this? Daily deals? Best deals. Sugar apple for 20 million. I bought it. That's all. And this green apple, pineapple. That's all. Wait, they removed the cocoa mango? No way. We actually got to plant my cocoa mango. If I still have it. Cocoa mango. Wait, did I delete my cocoa mango? I don't think I deleted it. Oh, yeah. It's in my other garden, guys. Wait a sec. Did they add anything in the gear? I didn't go to the update, guys. My bad. I don't judge me. Let me go to first. Is it first or second? I completely forgot. Let me go. I've not played this game like ever since. Master. They had not add anything. Guide. Let's just go to garden. Seals. I have all my seals. Let me go to first slot. Oh, no eggs. Oh, there's brown. Wait, guys, I'm gonna place down my Bronto real quick. Brontosaurus. Guys, if this video gets like 80 views or more, I will, guys, I will make a video using only DFs. I want to make that, but it might not go viral since, let's make just open some eggs. Come on, giant. What does the Bronto do? Okay, free Bronto. Guys, if you want to trade, put it in the comments. I'll see. Pet hatches, please. And wait, this size bonus is let me see Bronto. Okay, I keep getting small. Come on. Bruh. Okay. I just pull the pole eggs. 4 eggs. What? Oh. Guys. Whoa, wait, there's still? Guys, what did I get? Oh, a breaker with Robin. That's big. I'm gonna place down. Let me see if I have more egg. Place down just a mythical egg. How's that 5? 2, 3. Oh, yeah, my bad, I'm dumb. Okay. 20%, I'm 20%, guys. Let's go to Steal a Brain right now. I'ma see you there. Alright, let's get it. Guys, after this, I can't go to 99. I don't play mobile 99. And I can't film in PS5. Yeah, I have a PS5 though. I used that to play 99. Guys, tell in the chat, PC or 99. Okay, guys, we're here. This is my base. Not that good. I have more brain rots in my other account. Wait a sec. Let me get my other phone. I will show you my other account. I put it there, guys. I normally put it there. My account, my other brain rots, I put it there to like steal some stuff. Guys, if you want something here, I'll give away. I'll give giveaway to my subscribers to steal a brain rot. Let me get my old account right here. Guys, spoilers. I just got this one. If you want a Tungtungcitos, 1.4 million, and or Sammy Spiderini or Jabcitos. I have 3 of these. Is it rare, guys? My friend told me it's rare. I have a lot of secrets now. I couldn't go to the admin abuse because I was tired. So I slept. My bad, guys. But tell me if you gone to the update of Steal a Brain Rot. Okay, let me get my old here. Guys, have you ever met my account, guys, before Okay. There's all my best is this Sammy Spider-Man 5.5 million. Okay, this is mine. That's mine. I have the cockroach, Jabcitos. I have an. Oh, this is not actually my best. This one's my best, 5.7. Yeah, 5.7, the cockroach. Okay, guys. I think I sold my dinosaur. The car. I'm trying to get more car, guys. If you want to get a rainbow Sammy Spider-Man, tell me, guys. Tell me. Honestly, I'll steal this car. It don't make any money, 1.8 million. I'm gonna put it right up there. It's harder to steal up there, I think. Yeah, it's harder to steal. Like at the really top. I stole a car. I'm gonna give to them my gold car. I'm trying to do the ritual, guys. Who is kind enough to do the ritual? Wait, did I sell it? No, I didn't. Oh my god. Guys, if you see the lag here, I don't know, my Wi-Fi. Like last video, that was, I think, my worst. Guys, comment, guys. But this won't be. Oh my god, man, I'm about to reach quit. If I teleport again. Okay. Okay, we're going to place it right over here. Okay, let me lock my base. That's probably it. Guys, if you want anything from... Guys, actually rate my base. Including this and the car you just saw. Car. And rate this, guys. Rate my base. This is technically mine, but I put it in my other account. I'm gonna go to... we got the budget swap. I'm gonna just get my most expensive this Jabzitos. I should have gotten like... Guys, comment if you want me to like subscribe, to go to your channel, or to go to steal some brain rots in the steal a brain rot where I have no space no more, guys. I have no space no more. Someone's stealing it, definitely. No space no more, so I gotta sell some stuff. I want to sell my Jabzitos, but I can't. But my Tungtung Citos, I gotta get my other account here. I gotta get my other account here to just steal and open. Guys, yo, La Grande already sold out, bruh. It's sold out, guys. Look, it's sold out. If you're planning to get La Grande, yo, a mythical egg, bruh. Still a mythic, but it's a lucky block. Nice. Let me get my other account here. I do have a lot of good accounts. I have a lot of accounts that is... Oh, bruh. It's... Oh my god. Okay, guys. I'll make a short opening this and tell me if it's lucky or not. Let me see if I have this friend. Tell. Still a brain rot. Guys, I watched something in YouTube that Roblox is banning accounts that they have friends with a banned account. I don't think... Wait, let me get my alt account again. I'm gonna go to the other private server, BRB. Okay, guys, alright. Maybe later or tomorrow I'll post a video, guys. Let me allow friend. Wait, guys, I'm gonna friend this thing. I friended it. Okay, let me just allow friends. Let me take everything except the lucky block. This will be all, guys. Yeah. Okay. Place there. I got the car care cool. I'll keep the gold car care cool. What the... Bro, I can't say it. I got the Tungtung Citos though. Okay. That seems right. I'm gonna just leave it here. First I gotta wait for this. Okay guys, that's about it for the update. Thank you, like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. So bye bye.